What you're about to read is not just another minor iterative update or a simple cosmetic refresh of a popular gadget, but rather the complete, undisputed destruction of everything we previously thought was possible in the world of compact aviation. For years, content creators, travel vloggers, and commercial real estate videographers have been forced to accept a deeply frustrating compromise, trapped in a relentless balancing act between heavy, expensive, highly restricted commercial cinema drones and lightweight, pocket-sized platforms that struggled the absolute moment the sun dipped below the horizon. If you wanted that jaw-dropping, elite Hollywood-caliber dynamic range and crisp sharpness, you had to haul a massive gear case, register your aircraft, request complex airspace authorizations, and constantly look over your shoulder for regulatory crackdowns. If you opted for convenience, your footage suffered from crushed shadows, noisy low-light artifacting, and fixed apertures that force you to constantly land and manually swap physical neutral density filters in the freezing cold or blistering heat. But what if the engineers at the world's leading drone manufacturer quietly figured out how to completely smash that barrier, permanently erasing the dividing line between lightweight portability and elite Hollywood cinematography? What if they managed to cram a massive, state-of-the-art camera sensor, a physical moving variable iris, military-grade laser navigation, and an unbelievable near-hour-long flight time into a sleek, ultra-aerodynamic airframe that fits effortlessly into the palm of your hand without triggering a single Federal Aviation Administration registration requirement? This is the exact reality unfolding before our eyes right now through an unprecedented wave of highly verified supply chain leaks, component blueprints, global regulatory filings, and secret factory unboxing details that have completely set the internet ablaze. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We are pulling back the curtain on the highly anticipated revolutionary DJI Mini 6 Pro, a sub-249 gram masterpiece specifically engineered to completely bypass strict global regulations while rendering multi-thousand-dollar cinema setups entirely obsolete. To fully comprehend why this specific piece of technology is causing absolute panic among competing manufacturers and sending shockwave through the drone community, we have to start by tearing open the highly confidential, leaked factory unboxing blueprints that expose exactly what you will experience the moment this premium box lands on your doorstep. Unlike previous iterations that relied heavily on traditional molded plastics and standard packaging configurations, the unboxing layout reveals a dramatic paradigm shift toward an ultra-premium, eco-conscious, structural fiber composite shell that immediately signals you are holding a true piece of high-end engineering. As you lift the precision-sealed outer lid, you are not greeted by cheap plastic wrap or flimsy inserts, but rather by an elegantly arranged, velvet-textured protective cradle that houses the hyper-compact, matte obsidian airframe of the aircraft itself. The sheer architectural brilliance of this new frame design is immediately apparent, boasting a heavily revised, wind tunnel-tested carbon fiber reinforced folding arm mechanism that locks into place with a highly satisfying mechanical metallic click. Tucked neatly beneath the primary aircraft tray lies the redesigned flagship remote controller, a beast of a device that features heavily upgraded Hall-effect aluminum control sticks that screw smoothly into place with zero lateral play, offering a level of tactile precision that mimics high-end aerospace simulators. Digging deeper into the premium packaging reveals the revolutionary smart charging hub, which has been completely reimagined to act not just as a power source, but as an intelligent energy management matrix capable of sequentially balancing and discharging the brand-new, ultra-high-density cell modules. Every single accessory, from the thick braided high-speed data cables to the spare low-noise aerodynamic propellers and the custom-molded precision gimbal protector, feels distinctly premium, establishing an unboxing experience that makes it feel less like a consumer toy and more like an elite piece of industrial filmmaking equipment. But the real magic begins the absolute second your eyes lock onto the radically redesigned camera gimbal assembly, a component that serves as the crown jewel of this entire technological leap forward. For generations of mini drones, the absolute ceiling for imaging performance was strictly dictated by physical space, forcing creators to rely on smaller sensors that fell apart under challenging high-contrast daytime lighting or dark nightscape environments. The newly exposed hardware schematics for the Mini 6 Pro completely shatter this historical limitation by confirming the integration of a custom-engineered, massive 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. This is not just a standard mobile imaging sensor slapped onto a drone frame, but a revolutionary architecture that physically separates the pixel sensing circuitry from the high-speed processing transistors by stacking them vertically. What this means for your actual footage is an unprecedented, native hardware dynamic range of up to 14 stops, allowing you to shoot directly into a blinding midday sun while perfectly preserving the intricate textures of clouds and simultaneously recovering deep shadow details from trees and buildings below without a hint of digital noise. Even more mind-blowing is the absolute confirmation that DJI has pulled off the ultimate engineering miracle by implementing a true mechanical variable aperture system that scales from a bright, light-devouring f/1.7 all the way down to a sharp f/11. For professional filmmakers, this completely changes the entire operational workflow because it means you can finally control your exposure and maintain the strict cinematic double frame rate shutter rule entirely in mid-air via the controller dial, eliminating the endless frustration of having to land your drone just to swap out physical neutral density filters when the clouds shift. The processing brain paired with this massive stack sensor is equally terrifying, unlocking oversampled, ultra-high bitrate 6K video capabilities at a buttery-smooth 60 frames per second with full 10-bit D-Log M-color profile support. Imagine capturing breathtaking landscape vistas or fast-moving urban pursuits with so much raw spatial resolution that you can easily crop, reframe, pan, or stabilize your footage in post-production to generate flawless 4K master files without losing a single pixel of native sharpness. For slow-motion enthusiasts, the camera pipeline is capable of dropping down to an astonishing 4K resolution at 120 frames per second or 1080p at a hyperfluid 240 frames per second, allowing you to transform crashing ocean waves, speeding vehicles, or mountain bikers in a hyper-detailed cinematic art. The physical gimbal structure itself has received a massive mechanical overhaul, utilizing an ultra-responsive, brushless 3-axis stabilization matrix that offers an expanded pitch rotation range capable of tilting a full 90 degrees completely straight up to capture towering skyscrapers or dramatic underbridge perspectives, alongside a true 90-degree downward tilt for flawless orthomosaic mapping and top-down cinematography. This is accompanied by an advanced native dual-native ISO architecture that automatically switches gain stages at the hardware level, meaning that when twilight fades into deep night, the drone silently activates its secondary processing pipeline to scrub away electronic chroma noise, turning pitch-black cityscapes and poorly lit coastlines into clean, vibrant, production-ready masterpieces. Yet, a mind-blowing camera is completely useless if the drone cannot stay in the air long enough to execute complex cinematic movements, which is precisely why the leaked battery specifications are causing absolute hysteria throughout the entire tech industry. Historically, keeping an aircraft under the critically important 249-gram weight threshold meant that engineers were severely constrained by the physical mass of lithium-ion chemistry, typically capping real-world flight times to around 30 or 35 minutes at best before safety margins forced a return to home. The Mini 6 Pro completely rewrites the laws of physics by introducing a groundbreaking, ultra-high-density solid-state battery chemistry that packs nearly double the energy capacity per gram compared to traditional liquid electrolyte packs. The leaked internal documentation outlines an absolutely unheard-of, mind-boggling maximum FLI GHD time of up to 58 minutes on a single standard smart battery module, a figure that was once exclusively reserved for heavy, industrial enterprise platforms costing tens of thousands of dollars. In real-world operational terms, This completely redefines how you shoot, because instead of anxiously rushing through your pre-flight checks and frantically capturing a single hasty composition before the low battery warning screams at you, you can now calmly launch your aircraft, hunt for the perfect creative angle, execute multiple complex cinematic passes, track a moving subject across miles of terrain, and still have plenty of reserve power left over to safely land. The solid-state design also completely eliminates the dangerous risk of battery swelling over extended use cycles and offers significantly improved thermal resilience, allowing the drone to maintain peak power delivery and stable voltage curves even when operating in freezing sub-zero winter alpine environments or scorching desert heat waves. As impressive as the flight times are, the true operational confidence of this aircraft stems from entirely new, incredibly advanced navigation and safety array known internally as the Nightscape LiDAR system. Up until this point, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance on consumer drones relied almost exclusively on standard optical binocular vision sensors, which work beautifully during bright, clear sunny days, but become completely blind and deactivate the moment darkness falls or when flying through thick fog and low-contrast environments. The Mini 6 Pro completely solves this dangerous vulnerability by embedding miniature, solid-state LiDAR sensors alongside hyper-wide-angle optical lenses into a seamless 360-degree protective bubble around the chassis. By emitting millions of invisible, high-frequency laser pulses every single second, the onboard AI flight computer maps the surrounding physical environment in real time with millimeter-level accuracy, creating a high-resolution, three-dimensional point cloud of the drone surroundings. This means that whether you are performing a complex, fast-paced automated tracking shot through a dense, pitch-black forest at midnight, or navigating tight urban alleyways surrounded by thin, invisible power lines and tree branches, the Mini 6 Pro detects obstacles instantly and safely charts a real-time path around them. The system operates with zero reliance on ambient light, providing an uncrashable, bulletproof shield of safety that gives solo content creators the ultimate peace of mind to focus entirely on their framing and storytelling without the constant, paralyzing fear of a catastrophic mid-air collision.